Good morning, students. Am I audible? Am I audible? ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? Okay, fine. So today we are going to discuss regarding other physiological concept, that is excretory products and their elimination. ಆ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವಿವತ್ತು CET ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಲಿಂಕ್ ಫಾರ್ this one, mock test, CET mock test and NEET mock test. Yes, YouTube students, you have the link for NEET mock test here. Mock test. Then you have the link for CET mock test. Yes, whether just for my information, whether the announcement of result has been confirmed today. ನಿಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಬರುತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? Is it officially declared? Actually, it is officially declared. Okay, at what time they told, Dhanush? Or is it declared already? 11 p.m. Okay, fine then. All the best, my dear boys and girls. Your efforts counts always. Okay, so don't worry. ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರ್ತಿರೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರತ್ತೆ. ನನ್ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೆ ನಂಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಾ? That too, for that also don't worry. So you have another option of CET as well as NEET. And ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ನೀವ್ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡಂಗ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? There are many other opportunities where you can grow better, right? So keep up the spirit, keep up the confidence, happy agiri, tension agಬೇಡಿ. If you got tensed, your parents will get tensed, ಅಲ್ವಾ? So be confident and be accept whatever it comes. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದಾನೇ ನಿಮಗೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಸಿಕ್ಕರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ದಟ್ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಎಫರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ನಾನು ಸಕ್ಸೀಡ್ ಆಗ್ತೇನೆ ಅಂತ. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಬಂದರೆ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ತಪ್ಪು, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಹಾದಿ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲೋ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಲೇಜಿ ಫಾರ್ ಸಮ್ ಮಂತ್ಸ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ, ರೈಟ್? ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ರೈಟೇರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಗೇಜ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ, ತುಂಬಾ ನೆಗ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ, ಓವರ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರತ್ತೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ನೋಯಿಂಗ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮುಂದಿನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಡಿ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us begin with the next first question of today, excretory products and their elimination. Ammonia is generally excreted through which of the following? A is kidneys, B is gills, C is lungs, D is skin. Yes, my dear YouTube students, what is your response on this? Okay, the first response I got. Dhanush, Shweta, Pavitra. So most of you voted for option A. Some of you voted for option B. Yes, YouTube students. Only 3 responses. Be fast. And guys, it's a request. Don't forget to share your result in tomorrow's session or else in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So if you want my WhatsApp number, it will be like in your respective WhatsApp groups, you have Sankalp Biology number where you can tell me your result. Or if you want me to see your result, you can send me your hall ticket. I will check and let you know the result. Fine. So most of you voted it for option B and option A, Anta. Let us check the answer who is right. So option B is a right answer. Why? Because ammonia ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿದೆ, it is a nitrogenous waste which is highly poisonous. It is a highly poisonous nitrogenous base. ಅದು nitrogenous waste ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದು dissolve ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ it needs a very large amount of water. That is why ammonia will be an excretory substance only in what? Aquatic organisms. Okay. So option B, gills, is a right answer. Fine. Let us proceed to the next question. Which of the following organism is not ureotelic? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತಹ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಯೂರಿಯೋಟೆಲಿಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಬೋನಿ ಫಿಶಸ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ mammals, C is terrestrial amphibians, D is marine fishes. Which are not aquatic? Which are not aquatic? Sorry, which are not ureotelic? Aquatic alla, which are not ureotelic. Navya Shri answered it. What about others? What about others? Only one student. Dhanush, Pavitra. Only 3 students. Shweta, Madan Nayak, Chinmay, Abhi, Prithvi. What is your response on this? Chinmaya, MR. Fine. So most of you voted it for option A, bony fishes anta. Which of the following is not ureotelic anta helidare? Yaudu alla anta kelidare. Very good. Option A, bony fishes, because in the fishes, these are the aminotelic which secrete or which excrete ammonia in the form of excretory substance. So option A, bony fishes, is a right answer. Next question. In ureotelic organisms, ammonia is converted into which of the following? Ureotelic organism alli ammonia is converted into which of the following compounds? ಯಾವ ಒಂದು substance ಆಗಿ ಅದು convert ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? A is uric acid, B is carbon dioxide, C is remains as such ಅಂದ್ರೆ ammonia ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ, D is urea. The quick response is given by Pavitra Subramanya, Chinmaya MR, Dhanush HJ, Navyashri. So most of them voted for option D. Shweta also answered to the question. So option D, urea anta heltidira. So in ureotelic organism, the ammonia will be converted into urea. Okay. Next. Which of the following is not a ಯೂರಿಕೋಟೆಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಯೂರಿಕೋಟೆಲಿಕ್, ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಈಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ರೆಪ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ನೇಲ್ಸ್. Chinmaya MR answered to the question. Navyashri answered it. Abhi answered the question. Yes. Dhanush HJ. Pavitra Subramanya. So most of you voted it for option A. Some of you voted it for option D. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಯಾವುದು ಯೂರಿಕೋಟೆಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯೂರಿಕೋಟೆಲಿಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟರಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರೆಪ್ಟೈಲ್ಸ್, ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ನೇಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಹೌದಾ? ಮ್ಯಾಮಲ್ಸ್ ಯೂರಿಯಾ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್, ಯಾರು ಲ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ನೇಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಿರಿ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಿಫೈ ಯೋರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಗ್ವಾನೋಟೆಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್. ಯಾವುದು ಗ್ವಾನೋಟೆಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಓಕೆ, ಎ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಫಿಶ್, ಡಿ ಇಸ್ marine birds. Which of the following is a guanotelic organism? Madan, Navyashri, Chinmaya, MR answered it. Yeah. So most of you voted it for option C, starfish anta, which is not a guanotelic organism. So exactly the right answer is option C, starfish. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ಸ್, ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯನ್ಸ್, ಮರೈನ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ದೇ ಆರ್ guanotelic organisms. Sorry. So what do you mean by guanotelic organism? Guanotelic organism ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Can anyone tell me through the chat box? Yes, YouTube students, what is guanotelic organisms? What are guanotelic organisms? Yeah. What are guanotelic organisms? Previous question ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. Guanotelic organism. Yes, YouTube students. So where the sorry. So where the excretory product is guanine, which is a nitrogenous base or one of the purine. So there the organisms are termed as guanotelic organism. Ullas answered it. Okay, let us proceed to the next question. Excretion. Yes, YouTube students. Right. So guanine excretory product it is called guanotelic. Excretion of which of the following is for the adaptation of water conservation? ಯಾವುದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಚ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್, ಯಾವ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ವಾಟರ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ, ಯೂರಿಯಾ, ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಹೂ ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್? Excretion of which of the following is for the adaptation of water conservation? Chinmaya MR, Ullas answered it. Fine. What about others? Bega. Okay. Most of you answered it as option C anta. That is uric acid. Exactly right. So especially birds will excrete in the form of uric acid for water conservation. Next question. Which of the following organism has flame cells for excretion? ಯಾವ organism ಅಲ್ಲಿ flame cells ಗಳಿವೆ excretion ಗೆ? A is flatworms, B is roundworms, C is hookworms, D is pinworms. Which of the following organism has flame cells for excretion? Yes, Ullas, Chinmaya, MR answered to the question. Pavitra Subramanya answered it. Madan, what is your response on it? Abhi is here. What is your response on it? Yes, most of you voted for option A, flatworms ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, which is also called as platyhelminthes ಅಂತಾನೂ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. So which of the organism has flame cells for excretion ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ the right answer is option A, platyhelminthes. So these are the organisms which have flame cells. Right? Next question. Which of the following phyla have nephridia as an excretory structure? ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಫೈಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಫ್ರೀಡಿಯಾ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ? ಎ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡ್, ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಎನಿಲೀಡ್, ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟಿಹೆಲ್ಮೆಂಥಸ್, ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಟೀನೋಫೋರಾ. ಆರ್ಥ್ರೋಪೋಡ್, ಅನಿಲೀಡ್, ಪ್ಲಾಟಿಹೆಲ್ಮೆಂಥಸ್, ಟೀನೋಫೋರಾ. Chinmaya MR answered to the question. Yes, Pavitra, Abhi, Madan. What is your response on it? Yeah, tell me. A. Arthropods, B. Annelids, C. Platyhelminthes, D. Pavitra answered it, Ctenophora. So most of you voted for option B, Annelid anta, which will be having nephridia for an excretion. So the right answer is, that is option B, Annelids. Flame cells Platyhelminthes ಅಲ್ಲಿ, nephridia annelid ಆದಲ್ಲಿ. Good. Next question. Which of the following is not accumulated by the body of living organism? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಯುಮಿಲೇಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಶೇಖರಣೆಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ? ಎ ಇಸ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸಾರಿ, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಯೂರಿಯಾ, ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. Is not accumulated by the body of living organism. Chinmaya MR answered to the question. Abhi answered it. Yes. Okay, only two answers. Okay, fine. Let us check the answer. The right answer is option D, oxygen. So oxygen is not accumulated by the body. Oxygen will be taken by the body. It is absorbed. Okay, not accumulated. Absorbed and used for metabolic activities. Right? 10th question. Which of the following is not the major form of nitrogenous waste? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು nitrogenous waste the major form ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A is ammonia, B is urea, C is carbon dioxide, D is uric acid. Which of the following is not the major form of nitrogenous waste? Chinmaya MR answered to the question. What about others? Only one answer. What about Abhi, Pavitra, Madan Nayak? Yes. Okay. So most of you answered it for option C anta. That is carbon dioxide. Which of the following is not the major form of nitrogenous waste? Carbon dioxide, ammonia, urea, uric acid, these all are the derivatives of nitrogen. But carbon dioxide is not the major form of nitrogenous waste at all. So option C, carbon dioxide is a right answer. Next question, which of the following is most toxic form of nitrogenous waste? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ತುಂಬಾ ಟಾಕ್ಸಿಕ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ನೈಟ್ರೋಜನಸ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ವಾನೈನ್, ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಅಮೋನಿಯಾ, ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಯೂರಿಯಾ, ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಯೂರಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್. ಎಸ್, ಟೆಲ್ ಮಿ ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ toxic form of nitrogenous waste? Yes, Pavitra, Abhi, Chinmaya, MR, what is your response on this? I think you all are awaiting for your results, right? Yes, tell me. Which of the following is the most toxic form? Pavitra Subramanya answered it. Let us check the answer here. The right answer is ammonia. So as I said before, ammonia is a highly poisonous and it needs a lot of water to get dissolved. So that is why only aquatic organisms excrete ammonia. Next question. Malpighian tubules are the excretory structures of which of the following? Malpighian tubules ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೀಟರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಎ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, ಬಿ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ವರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ವರ್ಮ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ರುಸ್ಟೇಷಿಯನ್ಸ್. Malpighian tubules are the excretory structures of which of the following? Yes. Any answers for this question? Pavitra answered it. So option A, insects ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Let us check the answer. Exactly right. Insects ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Excretory structures are present in the form of Malpighian tubules. Which of the following are excretory structures of crustaceans? Crustaceans ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು excretory structures ಗಳಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? A is nephridia, B is protonephridia, C is Malpighian corpuscles, D is antennal glands. Yeah, tell me, which of the following are the excretory structures of crustaceans? Option D, Pavitra answered it as option D, antennal glands anta. Let us check the answer. Okay, exactly the right answer, that is antennal glands is a right answer. Next question, which of the following is not included in the excretory system of humans? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು excretory system of humans ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ? A is cloaca, B is kidneys, C is ureters, D is urethra. Okay, some of you answered it as option A, cloaca anta. Then where do you find cloaca? In which organism you can find cloaca? Humans ಅಲ್ಲಿ cloaca ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮತ್ತೆ cloaca ಯಾವ organism ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ? Yes, can anyone tell me? In which animal or in which organism you can find cloaca? Yeah. Tell me, in which organism you can find cloaca? Answer is right. Kidneys, ureters, urethra, these all are the excretory parts of human beings. Cloaca ಯಾವ organism ಅಲ್ಲಿ part ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? Yeah. You can find it in frog, right? Frog ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಾಣಬಹುದು. Next question. Where are the kidneys situated? Kidneys ಎಲ್ಲಿ situate ಆಗಿದಾವೆ? A is between the 7th and 10th ribs. B is between the last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra. C is between 8th and 9th ribs. D is between the first and second thoracic vertebra. Yes, anybody got their results? ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರು results ಬಂತಾ? Can you share with me? It's exactly 11:01. I think the server will be very busy now. Yes, tell me the answer for 15th question. Where are the kidneys situated? ಎಲ್ಲಿ situated ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ kidneys? What is the exact location of the kidney? Yeah, Bhuvan answered the question. Fine. What about others? Pavitra, Chinmaya, Emma, YouTube students. Pavitra and Chinmaya answered it. Okay, let us check the answer. The right answer is option B, between the last thoracic and third lumbar vertebra. The kidneys will be situated. Next question. What is the average weight of human kidney? Human kidney do average weight ಏನು? Yes. Bhuvan answered it. Pavitra answered it. So, as they asked the weight of each kidney is option C, that is 120 gram irutte. Namma kidney weight, it is 120 gram. Next question, through which of the following nerves and blood vessels enter the kidneys? ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ nerves ಮತ್ತೆ blood vessels kidneys ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ? ಥ್ರೂ ವಿಚ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A is hilum, B is tubules, C is pelvis, D is medulla. Through which of the following nerves and blood vessels enter the kidneys? Hilum, tubules, pelvis, medulla. Pavitra answered to the question. Bhuvan answered it. Okay, the confusion is between option A and option D. Hilum anta ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ, medulla ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ. The right answer is option A. ಆ ಒಂದು region ಗೆ ಯಾವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಿಡ್ನೀಸ್ ನರ್ವ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಅನ್ನ ಎಂಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವೋ ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಗೆ ನಾವು ಹೈಲಮ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ. ಮೆಡ್ಯುಲಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಕಾರ್ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮೆಡ್ಯುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದ ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್, ದ ಒಳಗಿನ ರೀಜನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೆಡುಲಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ ಕಿಡ್ನಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ, ಹೈಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Next question. Which of the following is responsible for the formation of columns of Bartini? Which are responsible for the columns of Bartini? A is medulla, B is renal pelvis, C is calycis, D is cortex. Yes? Which of the following is responsible for the formation of columns of Bertini? A is medulla, B is renal pelvis, C is calyces, D is cortex. Anyone? Guys, can anyone share the result? Did you get your results? I'm getting some of my students' results in through mail. Okay. Pavitra answered to the question. Bhuvan answered it. So, the right answer for the formation of columns of Bertini is option D, cortex. Cortex will be used for the formation of columns of Bertini. Next question. How many nephrons are present in each kidneys? ಎಷ್ಟು ನೆಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ ಎರಡು ಕಿಡ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ನೆಫ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇರ್ತವೆ? A is 1 million, B is 1 billion, C is 1 trillion, D is 2 million. How many nephrons are present in each kidney? 1 million, 1 billion, 1 trillion, 2 million. Nephrons means what? The structural and functional units of kidneys, right? So how many nephrons will be present? Chinmaya MR answered it. Bhuvan answered to the question. Fine. So both of you voted for option A, that is 1 million anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Let us check the answer. Answer A, 1 million is the right answer. Next question. In how many parts of a nephron is divided? ಎಷ್ಟು parts ಆಗಿ nephron divide ಆಗತ್ತೆ? A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. In how many parts a nephron is divided? Bhuvan answer to the question. Okay. In how many parts a nephron is divided andre option B, that is 2 parts. Nephron ಎರಡು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಗಳಾಗಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. Next question. What will happen if the diameter of the efferent arteriole, ಹೌದಾ, efferent arteriole ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನೆಫ್ರಾನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಒಂದು ಡಯಾಮೀಟರು, if the diameter of efferent arteriole is less than efferent arteriole, ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ? A is dilute urine, B is what you can say concentrated urine, C is no ultrafiltration, D is black urine. What will happen if the diameter of the afferent arteriole is less than efferent arteriole? ಏನಾಗತ್ತೆ? Yeah. Pavitra answer to the question. So the right answer for this question is option C, no ultrafiltration. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ultrafiltration ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. The maximum or the peak of the filtration ಆಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay. So option C, ultrafiltration is the right answer. Next question. What are osmoregulators? Osmoregulators andre ಏನು? A is animals which cannot change their osmolarity, animals which can change their osmolarity sometimes, animals which can change their osmolarity, animals which cannot excrete out waste. What are osmoregulators? Tell me. So the right answer for this question is option A. Animals which cannot change their body osmolarity are termed as osmoregulators. Next question. Which of the following organism is not an osmoconformer? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ ಆಸ್ಮೋ ಕನ್ಫಾರ್ಮರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಎ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಗ್ ಫಿಶ್, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಪಾಂಜಿಲಾ, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಮರೈನ್ ವರ್ಟಿಬ್ರೇಟ್, ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಕೇಟ್. Yes, YouTube students, what is your response on this? ಆಸ್ಮೋ ಕನ್ಫಾರ್ಮಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Any answers? YouTube students? The right answer for this question is option B, that is Spongilla. Osmo conformers andre ಏನು? These are the marine aquatic animals which can maintain isotonic, what we can say, isotonic medium with the external environment. Okay, so which maintain the internal environment isotonic to the external environment. So option B, Spongilla, is a right answer. Next question, which of the following is not an adaptation of kangaroo rat? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಯಾವುದು kangaroo rat na adaptation alla? A is drinks water, B is feeds on fatty acids, C is excretes a concentrated urine, D is the nasal counter current system. Which of the following is not an adaptation of kangaroo rat? Yeah. Who one answer to the question? So the right answer for this question is which drinks water. Drinks water is a adaptation of kangaroo rat. I mean, kangaroo rat will not drink water. So 25th question, which of the following structure enclose glomerulus? ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲೊಮರಿಲಸ್ ಎನ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? which of the following structure encloses glomerulus? A is Bowman's capsule, B is medullary pyramids, C is cortex, D is renal capsule. Which of the following enclose which of the following structure encloses glomerulus? Yeah. Yes, YouTube students. Okay. So let us check the answer here. Option A, Bowman's capsule. The glomerulus will be inside the Bowman's capsule. Next question. What is the full form of PCT? PCT full form ಏನು? A is proximal coronary tube, B is proximal convoluted tubule, C is proximal carotid tube, D is part covering thymus. What is the full form of PCT? Yeah. Who one answer to the question? Okay, let us check the answer here. The right answer for this question is proximal convoluted tubule. Next question, which of the following is succeeded by PCT? ಅಂದ್ರೆ proximal convoluted tubule ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಯೂಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? A is Henle's loop, B is glomerulus, C is DCT, D is collecting duct. Which of the following is succeeded by PCT? Bhuvan answer to the question. Fine. Let us check the answer here. Proximal convoluted tubule will be succeeded by A, that is Henle's loop. PCT Henle's loop ಆಮೇಲೆ distal convoluted tubule ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಮೊದಲಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪಿ ಸಿ ಟಿ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಹೆನ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ, ಯು ಬಂದು ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಡಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಯೂಲ್, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎ ಹೆನ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೂಪ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವೇರ್ ಡು ಡಿ ಸಿ ಟಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೆಫ್ರಾನ್ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಟಲ್ ಕನ್ವಲ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಟ್ಯೂಬ್ಯೂಲ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಓಪನ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ? ಎ ಇಸ್ ಪಿ ಸಿ ಟಿ, ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಹೆನ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೂಪ್, ಸಿ ಇಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಡಕ್ಟ್, D is glomerulus. Yes. Where do the DCTs of nephrons open into? A. PCT, B. Henle's loop, C. Conducting duct, D. Glomerulus. Okay, let me check the answer here. The right answer is here option C, that is conducting duct. Glomerulus ಬರುತ್ತೆ, glomerulus in that PCT ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, proximal convoluted tubule, then it goes to the Henle's loop. Henle's loop in the distal convoluted tubule, ಎಲ್ಲ distal convoluted tubules ಹೋಗಿ it will merge to the collecting duct, sorry conducting duct, right? So option ಅದು collecting duct ಆಗ್ಬೇಕನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. Option C is the right answer. Option C is the right answer, right? So this is about the questions on excretory substance, excretory products and their elimination. So I already pasted the CET link as well as NEET link. Please do attend the mock test and succeed in it. Okay, fine then. Let me end up the session here. Tomorrow I am waiting for you all to know your answers. Be free to tell me your answers through a private chat box, right? So let me end up the session here. All the best. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye-bye.